Hello guys, welcome back to Enable Website Design. In this video, we are going to discuss how you can enable sidecar checkout functionality in your WordPress website. So first of all, we can go here and install a new plugin. Click on Add Plugin and search for Shop Lantern. You can install and activate this plugin. After that, you can upload the plugin file from here. So this is the plugin that you can get from here. And after that, you can add zip file from here. This one. So I already installed this plugin. Now let's go back to the plugin settings, then click on modules, and if I scroll down, here you can see this one is the premium feature. Now let's go back and activate this plugin. Now let's go and check this functionality. So if I copy this product link and view it here, click on add to cart. Now here you can see it's working fine. So we can view cart page as well as checkout page.